Welcome everybody to our newest build video. We are working on wall 5. The fun part about this is it has gone extremely fast. I think we're really getting a good system for our build now. And so I'm going to touch on what exactly is going on with. So let me get it into position so we can see the whole thing. This is a lot larger than the other wall sections. So let me try to align this and then, nope. There we go. That's nice. Okay, so let's just go over really quickly the tools that I'm featuring in this segment. Tools and materials. So I'll just work my way across. Cutting surface, razor blade, needle nose pliers, pencil, 8-foot scale model 2x4s that are 5 and 5/8 inches long in real life, my bag of nails, my tape measure, my sandpaper, and my little bottle of glue if I need it. Okay, so I'm going to clear off my work surface and get ready to go again. So let's talk a little bit about what we're working on here. Things have been going very quickly, and we left off on nailing in these little pieces. Let's see where we left off. So these channel blocks are needing nails from the side here. And we took out a stud here to have access, but other ones, so here's the stud. So this one actually should stand up on its edge and go here, but we have to finish the nailing there. And then I have to get in some more nails. I'm gonna put the nails in this way for these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm also going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then that will finish those off. And then I'm going to work, I'm going to put this stud back in and then work on the fire blocks and work my way across. So that's pretty exciting seeing that come together so quickly. So let's get going. Holding it down with one finger here. Let's see if I can adjust my hand so you can see a little better. And slowly put the nail in horizontally. Let go, follow up, all the way through. Okay, so that's looking pretty good there. I'm liking the way that's going. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, hold on. Sorry about that. We had just a question on the distribution, and they're prepping out the distribution right now for our next the toolkits. So that's exciting. See you Friday, and if not, we'll get it through the library. Okay. So we have a plan, and we have a backup plan, and I always like to have a backup plan when I'm doing anything. That looks a little low, but okay, that's not giving me enough resistance, so I need to push back a little bit. There. Okay. Before I forget this stud, I'm going to put the stud back in before I start working my way across. There we go. We're making this happen. All right. Okay, so I'm just working my way across here, and sometimes I might block the camera, but it's not intentional, and I'm just trying to get a good grip on this. You want to really try to keep the nails level as you're putting them in at this sideways spot, because this sideways angle, because if you catch the paper, we're not going to be able to get the structure off of the paper, the wall, when we separate it. So that's a step that we can avoid in the future if we just take our time right now and we go nice and slow. Great, 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 great. Nice. Okay, so these are done. I'm going to move on to these. I think I have more strength holding on this way than driving in this way, but it just had to do with the access. So I didn't have a lot of access here to go in this direction with the nails, so that's why I went this direction. But that was going through two side-by-side pieces here and this one, so that it means that there's a lot more force going on when you're pushing it through. It's not ideal, but I don't want to take out pieces all the time just so I can nail that particular direction. Here we go. That's my second nail up here. I'm going to bring it in a little bit, see if you can get a better view of what's going on here. Okay, just getting our nails in. And so here is one. And here's two. I'm applying some opposing pressure here, going this way, or you can just press down. Great. Okay, I'm going to move on to this next one, this next set. Okay, I got all my nails in there. Pretty happy with the way that came out. Let's zoom out. Okay, so we're ready for our next steps. Looks good. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. These are really small here, here, and here. So I think that might be an issue. This is big enough for us to fit one in. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're gonna do 15 fire blocks. And so let's just jump in. Let's just jump into that. Let's see. Okay, do I already have something that works? I always like to see what I have that's close. It's pretty close. This is a good time to go through your leftovers and see what you have to work with. That one fits perfect. Great news for that. And then we have a lot of standard pieces. So I might just cut a whole bunch of standard pieces from my leftovers. So let me get a good marking on this. Okay. Okay, this seems like it's going to be a good fit. So I'm going to go ahead and mark up a whole bunch of these right now. Holding it flush. That's one. That's two. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need about 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to just grab another few pieces to be able to draw from there. Double check this was. Good thing I double checked because it's totally not the right one. There. This is it. Okay. Okay, so now it's just time to cut these. I like to mark off all of these at once. So I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cuts done all at once. I can just be in cut mode and then get through them and start installing them quickly. Stand and install. Oh, this is a tough one. So it's two back-to-back tough ones. Hopefully we'll get an easy one here soon. Nope, we're not having any luck today. All right, let's check here, do our sanding, and install our pieces as we go. Nope. Okay. Okay, that one's going great. This one needs quite a bit more off. It's pretty soft, so that went nicely. Got it, got it, got it. Awesome. This is going quite quickly. I'm building up a lot of dust on the sandpaper, so I'm just emptying that into the trash can. Okay, so I just need to cut a couple more over there and then start nailing all of those. So this is a good place to stop for the day, and then we'll pick it up next time.